and just take a deep breath. Close your eyes and take few deep breaths and just tune in. And we invite the universal spirit, divine guidance, and the higher self of everyone present in this session or watching this recording to co-create this session with us, speak through us and guide us on what all we need to do today. And so it is now. Okay, so a brief. So you can also, I think, type in the chat if you attended any. Are you new to my sessions, or if you have attended any session? So if you are new, just type in new, or if you have attended any session, then you can write whatever word that session was, 1 word, 2 word, what that session you attended. So I can see Spandana, Vikas, Nagpal, and Tara new. Thank you for joining. This is early morning on a weekend, and for most of you, and you would have all kind of choices to spend this hour, and you decided to spend that with us, and I'm very thankful for you choosing this, and we'll try our best to make sure that this hour is a very power-packed hour for you. Yeah. And for new people, a quick introduction. I'm Rohan Singhal. I'm an author of a book called High Conflict by Conflict, and I'm a transformation coach for leaders. And across the world, over 6 to 12 months, I coach leaders, especially CXOs and HODs and CEOs, on shifting their inner narrative and dialogue to which then reflects in how they lead in their life. And so I can see some new people and some old friends, and some have attended few sessions. Yes. Okay. So now about this whole, every month we do this Intent Tribe session, and what Intent Tribe is basically a group of people who are learning how to manifest their dreams using power of intention. And I will tell you maybe a little later about a program which I did, and it's kind of a video program which many of you might already been using. But what we do is every month, third Saturday, 9 a.m., we come back and we share, some intention. Sometime it is done on a topic, like this time the topic is on New Year, but otherwise we learn new things and discuss with each other for an hour, and we call it Intent Tribe. How do you get into the Intent Tribe? It's a Telegram group, and let me just share if I have it again. Yeah, so let me just share my screen. Okay. So this is a Telegram group, Intent Tribe, and the easiest way to sign on is just scan this QR code from your mobile with a Telegram and join in. But there are other links I will share in the middle of the session today. Yeah, and let's get into today's session. And so this cartoon, which I think it's quite an old one, but it still sparks a lot of joy as I look at it, and that why are you so optimistic about the new year? And because I know that I'm planting flowers, therefore I'm very optimistic rather than just hoping. So there's a big difference between hoping that something will happen, or causing it, or at least doing my bit in it. And so let's, what I would like you to do right now is just close your eyes and take a deep breath and really reflect on 2021. How did it go? And how was just scan through, maybe from now to backwards, or from Jan 2021 till now, and just see how did it go. I'm sure it would have been lots of ups and downs. There would be some setbacks, there would be some successes. How did it really go? And also, start realizing that what you were worried about in month one, those worries would have disappeared right now. But you will have some new worries right now. The projects which were important to you in month one versus now, there would be a huge difference. So keep your eyes closed and just surf through how your year was. And and some points will stand out as well. What was very, very worthwhile, what was very memorable, what was very joyful, what was very tough. So all of that, keep visualizing that. Another 30 seconds. You can come back to the room, open your eyes, and what I want you to do is take your writing pad, whatever you have with you right now, and on that, I want you to draw 8 big circles, 8 big circles which are not cutting each other, 8 independent big circles. And on top of it, write 2021. And now I'm going to give you 4 minutes to write in these 8 circles, 8 things this year in 2021, which gave you really joy, what you are really proud of. And you have to really do justice with respect to choosing things from all areas of your life, not just work, not just personal. So do a balance. And I'll use this opportunity to brag about some things I did. And so in my list, one is, I finally finished a book and launched it online which had 40 senior CEOs attend the launch. So that was one. Then there was another assignment which I signed up with a financial firm, and for the 15 leaders, I coached them over the last 6 months and watched transformation in them. Another one is that I finally started managing my finances better and started investing properly. So this was one. Then I had another one was I was hell-bent on not going to last 20 years I have not stepped into a temple because I come from an Arya Samaj school. But I shifted that and changed that rule last month, and then went to Tiruvannamalai and did a 14-kilometer barefoot walk. So this was another one. Then another one is I played lots and lots of board games this year. And then I had for 106 days, I thought of 6 things to do every day, and I did them every day for 106 days. And finally, I was avoiding going to meet my parents. Last 4 years, I had only gone there for 4 hours. So I this time consciously went for 6 days and spent time with them. And I think finally there was one very special birthday party we organized for Ruchi in a hotel, which was very, very memorable for all of us. And the YouTube channel Intent Tribe, lot of online work. So these are some of my examples. So now I'll now give you clear 4 minutes to write what was in your circles, 8 circles. can be hobby, vacation, something new you learned. And when you have done 8, then you can type in the chat done. There is fastest fingers first. Okay, Vishal, to basically what we are asking everyone to do is draw 8 circles on a page and write 2021 on top. And now fill these 8 circles with 8 accomplishments or 8 things which you were most joyful and proud in 2021. Namrita, I think you to start being kind to yourself. I think your bar is too high to only filter only 4 out. I think in a month, in a month, basically you'll have 8 if you really start looking consciously. So shift your bar a little bit, and there would be many things which you would have done. So I would really say write 8. 8 is it's an optimal number. I would have asked for more, but beyond this, yeah. Okay, so some people have done, and I'll give you another maybe a minute or so for the balance. 1 minute is left in my set. And 8 are not too many. And I think once you, what I've, in fact, while others are writing, what is useful every day, a practice of 5-minute journaling, saying what was awesome today. And when you start doing journaling that, and you'll realize every day there was something awesome, and out of 365, you're only choosing 8. We will have this recording available. I am not directly transmitting it to YouTube because there would be breakout rooms in between. So there would be a lot of gaps which will go in YouTube. So once the summary of basically the non-breakout room recording part of this would be available on YouTube. Yes. Okay. So assuming that everyone is done. Okay. So I want 1 or 2 samples. Would anyone like to volunteer and just share quickly 1 or 2 examples? Payal, if you want to, then you can unmute yourself, maybe start your video, and we'll come to Jayanta then.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Nice to be here, Rohan, again. The first one, the seed, I think was sown by you sometime in one of the workshops. So I have left any kind of medicine in the last 6 months. No medicine. I'm with a healer, but things are working fine. From antidepressant to high thyroid dose to 0 dose.
Wow.
In a matter of 24 hours. I finished EXO framework consultant course and a few more on that side within the year.
Okay, hold on. So when you are, so I'll just take this example only with you, and then we'll move to others. Is whenever you are sharing what was the accomplishment, add 2-3 lines which explains it, why it is important. Like in medicine, we understood. So in this one also, you say why it is important for you.
So it's been a complete shift. I've been on the entrepreneur side of things for the last couple of years, and I had a failed, business plan, which because of I launched in March 2020, and by April it tanked. So throughout the year, just doing a couple of courses, and this came on my plate. And now I'm working as a EXO framework consultant, and it's been very meaningful that ways.
Okay.
And it wasn't an easy one, so that's another one.
We'll keep it this much only. Sure. And Jayanta, one accomplishment from you, and then one from Sri.
Yeah, thank you, Rohan, and hi everybody. I actually attended Rohan's positive intent program, and then set up an intention to lead the ICF Colombo chapter launching. So that helped me at that time very much, and we have launched it on November 29th, and working progressing forward with that. Thank you, Rohan, and thank you for that.
What was most difficult? I remember last year you wrote that intent. So what was most difficult in this accomplishment for you?
Thank you for asking that. See, it's when it comes to manage diversity, when it comes to manage high caliber people, so I'm finding it that I need to be more kind of upskill myself in that space, and then with this opportunity that I'm connecting with the global teams as well. So it's more of a personal transformation, leadership transformation for me also. Yeah, so that is where it is.
And managing senior leaders, senior coaches, and collaborating with all of them. Okay, thank you very much, Sridevi. Quick one accomplishment and how it is important for you, and then we'll move into the sharing. You are muted. Sridevi, you are muted.
Yeah. Now?
Yeah.
Actually, everything is important for me, whatever I written here. Only one. In that case, I take it the journey of spiritual journey, which I started at this year. Actually, it's after a big pain I'm started all these things, because before that I not realized it's more important in my life. But after the death of my husband, I started exploring all these things, and now I'm getting some very good practices and all these things where I came back to a big pain and doing something more smartly, and all these things are getting really very good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rohan.
So recovering from the setback and centering yourself. Yeah, Mamta. Okay, last. Then we'll move on. Yeah.
I just want to say one word, and that is self-love.
Okay. Okay. So thank you very much. What we are going to do next is we have around 49 of us. So we'll divide you into breakout rooms of 3 each. And what I would suggest is, in this room, one, introduce yourself to each other quickly, and then have you share all the 8 accomplishments with other 2, and truly really celebrate in each other's success. And this is part 1 of the session, and realize that how wholesome the year has been. While we are always, I think I have noticed myself that always I'm thinking this also you should have done, this also. And so stepping back and realizing that the year was very, very wholesome. And, maybe you'll make some new friends in this random group. And so around 15 to, I think we'll give you 15 minutes. So 5 minutes, but please use your time judiciously and allow everyone to share rather than one first participant really sharing more. And so 15 minutes, I think 15 should be enough, and we'll see. So if anyone has any question, otherwise I'm creating the room here. 15, yeah. Mostly there would be 3 people. In 1 or 2, there might be more. And all the best. If there are in one room, there would be 4 people. Yeah. And anyone? They're never coincidences. They appear. पता नहीं कौन मेरे group में आ गया. I have realized that sometimes they start some deeper connection or some big clue you get in your life. And so I've started enjoying, randomly making groups and within some framework. So I think we'll give them another 2 minutes and I'll just broadcast it. And in the meantime, while others are waiting, so Ashish, why don't we hear from your wife and your daughter?
Sure.
Okay. So Ruchi, why don't you share 1 or 2 accomplishments which you are very proud?
Rohan, in 2021, the most important was shifting to Pune.
I guess that.
Yeah, and more better relationship with Ashish, more love and more warmth in our relationship.
Okay.
And I made cake with an icing topping. That is a wonderful experience for me.
Why was that wonderful for you? Extra wonderful?
Actually, sorry?
Why was that extra wonderful for you?
Because from last many years, I was thinking कि मुझे icing वाला cake करना है. Because of my daughter Gayatri, I joined a baking class and we both did it. So that was a big achievement for us. And yoga, doing yoga, meditation. I've started having more fruits and veggie in my diets. So, and sitting in my dream house, what we both planned in Gurgaon. So these are the few accomplishments.
There's a lot of sunlight coming from it. I'm noticing that. Huh?
So we still have to do the blinds for this. So that's the reason we get this light, because it's a glass. My study is made of completely glass.
Okay. Yeah. So now we are closing all the rooms now. So whoever is Prashant is saying he's closing all the rooms. Yeah. Yes. Ashish, you got muted. Okay. So while there are people who've come back, what are my computer cracked? And okay. Yeah. So anyone wants to share? How was it to share in a group of strangers?
Yeah, so I'll go. As you rightly said, Rohan, nothing is chance, right? Everything is preordained. Everything has a divine connection. So I met Parvez, and there was a lot of synergies, I would say, points of common interest that were there. So yeah, it was a beautiful sharing, and thank you.
Most welcome. And okay, so Snehali saying didn't feel them like strangers. We felt so connected. Yeah, so that is, I think at some level we are all connected. We all have a similar purpose behind. And okay, let me set my screen properly. Okay, anyone else want to share before I move on to the second part so that we can complete in time? One more sharing?
I think what I can say is that we always look for big achievement, but there are small things which I think if we pay attention, we can be really grateful and we can really be feeling blessed that there are a lot of things to look for. Yeah.
Yeah.
But our problem is we always look for big achievement and then we find out kuch bhi nahi hua, and then we put pressure on ourselves.
Yeah, very, very interesting. Yes, thank you. So another thing, someone shared that as we listen to others' achievement, we became party to that. So that is very, very interesting observation. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, before we move next, is let me also share something about, where is the screen gone? Okay. Yeah. So this is the program I was talking about. Last year I had recorded these 28 videos or 12 hours on Teachable. And it was on LinkedIn, and then I put it on Teachable. And this is a 12-hour session on how do you really apply power of intention, why it works, and specifics of it with examples, with interviews. And we made it available in 990 rupees for people. So this is a very useful session for yourself if you've not already done, or anyone you want really to learn to realize their power of intention. And it's a very cleanly done around 28 session, one by one. You can watch it over 30 days or even in 15 days. So this comes at around 990 rupees. And this was another session I did for 5 sessions for Manifest Your Dream Job. And with anyone you find in your universe who's looking to change their job or looking to find a new professional expression, this is something you can really gift. And I made it in some $200. The recording is available so that anyone can use it anywhere. And it has specifics on how do you appear in an interview, what beingness, how do you build your beingness to attract the right job, how do you magnetize the right job for you. And a lot of people, in fact, I am still getting responses from those participants and how they got some of their dream jobs. So this is, and actually what I also done is, if you buy this Power of Intention program in 990 rupees, with this dream job will come packaged. So you need not buy it separately. And so this is overall link tree where you have all the link to my work. So when you click here, you'll actually find, let me just type it there. Yes. So when you click on this link tree, you'll actually see ways to buy my book or ways to join this LinkedIn tribe, Intent Tribe. So all the links are there. So you can use it from there. Okay. And if you want to, so anyone who wants to buy this, you can go to the link tree and from there click and answer. Okay. So let's move on to the next part. Okay. So I now want you to close your eyes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to visualize a giant ball of light, collect a lot of energy from in that, and from there create 2022. Okay. So close your eyes and now visualize a giant ball of light in front of you, and you are now collecting beautiful energy in that ball of light. So collect energy from all your favorite nature places. So collect energy from the depth of the ocean, from your favorite beach, and you have to just ask that let infinite energy come from there, and you will start visualizing that it is getting filled. And if you can't visualize, then just think about it. So get energy from your most favorite place you've ever gone, then your most favorite tree, then get energy from soil, then get energy from water, from rivers, then get energy from solar system, from galaxy, from sun. So from all these places, keep visualizing and collecting this energy in this giant ball of light. It may have a color, maybe transparent green, or it can be just white. And keep taking deep breaths as you are doing so. Now from this giant ball of light, as if, from a glacier, a river comes out, or from a cloud, thunder bolt come out, or rain comes out. So similarly, from this ball of light, streaks of lights will come out. And from those streaks, you create 2022. What all, think of few 7-8 things which you would want in the year 2022. So right now, just keep visualizing it. It can be professional, personal, it can be health related, whichever area. And go beyond what you already know. Each one of you will have at least, even if you have 5 items in your mind, 1 or 2 new items will show up. Keep that intention. And create an amazing, wholesome 2022 full of joy. You'll be smiling, adding value to the world, expressing your true passion, you're harnessing all that which you have ever learned in your life, having a life full of resources, plenitude of time, plenitude of energy and joy. And, create that, visualize that whole year. How would it feel? Maybe 1 year later, you will be attending a similar session, and what would you be, jumping to share, something like that. So create all of that. And take another 30 seconds. You can then now come back to the room, open your eyes. Some of you can start your videos again. And what I want you to do is again make a fresh page with 8 circles and write 2022 on top of it. And this time, fill 8 joy, pride items, which you would have finished in 2022, which you would be sharing in an exercise like this next year. So with lot of love, instead of, I should do something, do it from a place of a creator, of a light being who's come here on this earth to fulfill his or her purpose in this life. Beyond just what everyone else does and what I should do versus what I'm meant to do. And take something which is challenging, you can. In I can read something that I would organize board game sessions, 1 session a month, and a music jamming session, 1 session a month. And maybe travel to spend 60 days in natural locations in the year. Visit Japan for 15 days. And I'm going through a frozen shoulder, so I will restore it to a full wellness. And Payal is asking, how do I write seeing myself not stressed with work-life balance? So you actually say that you would become an example or a benchmark for balance. And I think, Payal, for you, I would say plenitude of time for myself, rather than rushing everywhere, doing a lot of things and fully spread. Instead of that, I will have time for myself. Maybe you can say half an hour in silence, something like that. Half an hour self-reflective time every day I'll figure out for myself. And so I want to create a kind of a safe space for senior leaders to really share their vulnerability in a practical framework. And maybe 3 trips to my parents' place in this year. Another thing which I have written is generate passive income more than my last year's active income. And learn freestyle Bollywood dancing. and do a performance somewhere.
And then you can teach us also, Rohan.
I will show you at least. I will do some performance in one of the meetings.
And I'll also join in.
And yes, Dolly, I know, is a great dancer. And yeah, I'll start with taking some lessons with you. And earlier I would not share with people, but now I started announcing, because when you announce, then some help comes from somewhere. Some people will say, thinking big and apni auqat dekhiye versus, but some help comes from somewhere. So I've realized that it's better to announce in a relevant forum. Okay, so maybe if you are done, then you can type done in the, and give another 2 minutes, I think, 3 minutes. Prashant is done. So this was way easier, Namrata. Anyone, Namrata, if you want to share, but anyone wants to share 1 or 2 points they had written in the circle, you should make it specific, remember that. So that, yeah, Mamta, you want to go? You can unmute and say.
Yes. So I'll share only 2, 3.
Yeah.
Because most of them are, like common also. I want to complete 12 treks. I love trekking, so I would be doing that. And then
I'll come with 1 or 2 of them.
Sure. Then I want to achieve advanced yoga poses. So I would achieve 12 advanced yoga poses. So I'll give 1 month for each and I'll complete that.
Okay. So in fact, one very interesting thing is in this year, next few days, you can, find out what are those poses. Then, maybe make 12 chits and then place them year, month wise, and, put them somewhere that this is how my progress is. Jan is this pose. The moment you have it in front of you, something will happen. And similarly, even I've
sure, I'll do that. Nice idea. Thank you.
Even for treks and even for holidays, I've noticed, in fact, I can't show you my room here, but I have 2 huge calendars, which has each day for all 365 days here. So I have 2021 here and 2022 here. And I start marking whenever these things get done. So if I want to spend 60 days in natural place, so whenever that day is there, I'll keep marking. And in some places, I'll pre-block them that, these 5 days I'm going to go somewhere, and quickly make them a reality rather than just a plan. So having these 2 years together is very helpful. So you can do that. So Namrata, go ahead. What do you want to share? You want to start your video, you're welcome. But you can otherwise also share what you're saying. Yeah. Go ahead, Namrata.
Yeah. Should I go ahead and share a few?
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, so I definitely want to improve my relationships this year. That's something I think I really need to work on. And the other thing I want to do is I want to complete an expedition this year. So hopefully, I don't know. I mean, I started working on it, but haven't reached there. So yeah, I mean, I need to get my core together and start working. Maybe the Everest base camp. I don't know. Let's see, or the Kilimanjaro. One of them I'm going to do this year.
So one before you continue. So one is when you say improve relationship. So put something in it. Bring authenticity more authenticity in these 2-3 relationships whenever you're writing it, especially with my mom or someone who is important. And when you're talking about expectation, there was so many I don't knows in these. If you see the recording, you'll realize how many disclaimers you used in that one 2 sentences. So come from a star creator network saying, and be kind to yourself for so far. Abhi tak kiya nahi. You know, I have been thinking of Kilimanjaro and Everest Base Camp for so many years. Fine. So what? I have done so many other things this year. So from there come to this place that it would be a total joy, and I'll inspire many others. In fact, a good way is inspire some others to do it. That is the best way. You inspire 3-4 people to do Everest Base Camp. You will be surprised that while they completed, you also got through. And
Okay.
so tell me a third one, and then we'll move to Bharat.
Yeah, the third one is I want to meditate daily and also journal. I meditate, but it's not like a daily practice. So yeah, I want to do that every day. In fact, I was doing that more in 2020 because that was the time we had all the lockdowns and everything. But I don't think I did it that much this year. So I want to do it daily in 2022, and also journal. I have not been journaling for a while.
And what you can actually make it as, I will do at least 1 minute meditation a day and 1 minute journaling a day. Just that's all. Mini habit. And you'll be surprised, 1 minute is not a job anytime. Utte sabse pehle kar li. And you know, so and then if you feel like, you extend it. But just 1 minute, even if you do 1 minute every day, 365 days, you will be on top of the world with respect to your thoughts about yourself.
Rohan, can I say something which is not relevant to you know, what we are talking about right now?
Let's see, in a minute, if you can say that.
Yeah, I can say that in like 30 seconds. So I'd really like to thank you. You're a part of one of the programs that Nitya had done. And you were the first person and the only consistent person who used to put down what you used to do every day. That was that 90-day program that was there. And every day you were the only person who was so consistent, and you'd complete all the tasks every single day. And you really inspired me.
Oh, thank you. In fact, that was, I think, 108 days we were supposed to do.
108 days, yeah.
6 things every day, and you to choose those 6 things.
Yeah.
And I actually also did it like a pointer that I have to finish it even 12 in the night. I'll finish it.
Yeah, you were one person who would put it like any time, but you would do that every single day. Yeah.
What I found is, after 108th day, I totally stopped it. And then but it actually shifted my inner narrative of that I'm inconsistent. You know, so I just said, if I want, I would be consistent, but I'm choosing to be inconsistent. So then otherwise I'll keep beating myself that you can't even do this, you can't even do that. And typically you can't keep any of the promises given to yourself. So that shift, it helped that whenever I want to build a habit, I will. I have enough, you know, inner power to do so. Yeah. So
thank you.
Bharat, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
So my 2022, which I am going to achieve in 2022, is first and foremost thing is rupees 5 lakhs per month with effect from 1/4/2022 as a passive income. Okay. That's what my goal is. To be very specific, I have written that amount. Then time freedom with a healthy body, second one. Third one is financial freedom with peace of mind. Fourth one is half an hour time for only myself, means half an hour to
self-reflective time for yourself, having a meeting with yourself every day.
Yes. That like what we can say, Manan, Chintan, meditations, and all gratitude for the person who has who reached my life to this level. Then fifth one is foreign trips, and sixth one is domestic travel. And seventh one is helping to needy people. And eighth one is experiencing miracles every day.
Yes. And you know, when the year is over, then in that circle of miracles, you will be able to write, okay, this thing was a delightful surprise. This thing was not expected, but it happened.
Yes.
And I think I would like you to add is inspiring many other people in this whole process.
Yeah, inspiring.
Each circle, whichever you wrote, each circle be an inspiration for others as well for that, in addition to accomplishing it for yourself.
Okay.
I think that would be, so we are done with our time. I was earlier planning to do another breakout room to share the everyone's list, but I think we might have to skip that. What I would suggest right now is a called 68-second visualization. And Nitya Shanti was sharing that every if you visualize something, focus on something for 17 seconds, it is equivalent to some 1,000 actions. But if you do it for 68 seconds, it's a very, very high level of focus energy, which will come to that intention. So I want each one of you to pick one intention out of all the 8 which you have written. And so this is something called Marma point. So you take 4, if you can see my hand, this is 4 fingers, flip it and take the 7th one. It is said that this is a very focused point on your body. So you have to press this point, and I will start, hold on, I'll start a 68-second timer for you. 1 minute and yeah. So when I say start, after that, I want you to close your eyes and only visualize that particular goal in as much as detail as you can, while holding this 7th point. Okay, everyone ready? Give me a thumbs up, the video people. Yeah. Okay, so start. Okay, you can stop now. And so, in fact, an interesting practice can be, if you have these 8 visuals of your 2021, pick one every day and just visualize for 68 seconds. So it's a question of only 70 seconds a day, but visualize it, or you can extend it before sleeping, visualize it, and when you wake up, visualize it, and then keep picking one of them, and then whatever spontaneously, whatever action comes to your mind, take that action during the day. Okay. So
how do you find the focus area on the hand? Can you repeat that?
I think someone, okay. So basically take your hand and put these 4 fingers like this. Flip and then the 7th. So it's the 7th finger. 4 here and then 3 here. It is called Marma points. Marma point. I think Jack Enfield taught us this, Marma point. Yeah. So I think that is all for from me today. And may this year be an amazing year for all of you. And may you find your true, center. May you also find your inner power to do what you've been postponing for your life. So may you find inner power to do what you are meant to do, but you've been postponing. Deep inside, there's a code in you where you know what you are supposed to do. But sometimes we take an easy route. Sometimes we find we are looking for some other clue. So let this session be a clue that it is time. It's time for you to show up with your true gifts on this earth and play your true game rather than any other small game. Okay, so on that, so we'll post this recording on the YouTube channel, the Rohan Singhal channel. I would like you to go to the channel and maybe subscribe to the channel and share any comments if you have. Okay, so let's close. Anyone wants to share anything before we close the session?
I want to say something.
Yeah, Mamta, what?
Yeah, Rohan. So actually 2021 has been really eventful. If I say before 2 months, thoda sa emotional, like there was roller coaster. So those things are like, on your higher side. But when I look back, I said my year was so good. I'm like, so amazing. So thank you for, helping me reflect it back. Now I can go with good memories.
Yeah.
So this really helped. And I'm better prepared for my 2020. So thank you so much.
Yeah, so most welcome. And in fact, I would say that, now you have these 12 days left for this year, and, just reflect rather than rushing and finishing more things, reflect and complete the year with a lot of, finally it's just a date, but complete it with a lot of joy, with giving yourself a lot of thanks. I think that is what is important. Okay. So if
Rohan, may I say something?
Yeah, Jayant.
Thank you very much for allowing to flow your energy to these wonderful people around you. And I see that it creates a huge impact in each one of our lives. And that blessing is back on you, and we wish whatever that you're thinking and whatever that you're sweating, that equity is come back on you as well, and achieve your dreams. Yeah, and wishing you a very happy New Year 2022. Yes. Thank you. Back on.
Anila, you want to say something?
Yes. I know Rohan Singhal for 7-8 years, and my complete conviction in him helped me so much. And it's been a journey. So whatever Rohan says now, I say, sorry, there was a call. So initially I say, nahi, he says, Anila, you attend this session, you attend this course. I say, nahi, I'm tied up, I can't attend it. But then he says that you must, And when I attend it, I realize that it is such a big transformation. It has helped me all throughout, and especially the Nitya Shanti workshop that you recommended. It has been a real big journey.